have one
Yeah.
witness who is now able to identify. Nasa statements na niya, meron mo siyang original statement, meron siyang supplemental statement. Kung sino yung although yung iba po, hindi ma-determine, although may pangalan, hindi ma-determine kung MILF or BIFF. At yung iba po, may pangalan, pero hindi ma-determine kung yun ang tunay na pangalan.
Meron po kayong witness pero wala po kayong suspect in custody, Madam Secretary.
Wala pa po. Wala po tayong suspects in custody dahil nga po hanapin pa po natin yung mga in-identify na ng aming witness. Magfa-file pa lang ho. Kasi ho, fact-finding rin po or case build-up kasi ho yung trabaho ng special investigation team namin. Hindi pa ho ito yung preliminary investigation.